translation and transliteration. They're not the same things. What you see on the screen up in front of you is translation. Let me show you what transliteration is. I'm going to go with an English keyboard and try to get the output in Hindi. So my keyboard is English, A, B, C, D, A, S, D, F, G, Q, R, Q, W, E, R, T. And the output is going to be in Hindi. Let's start. Now that we have created a few Hindi sentences using an English keyboard, using an English language keyboard, I'll show you how to do translation on. So here we come to the Google Translate page. In this window, we're supposed to put in the Hindi font or Hindi sentences to get the output in English language. Well, let's go ahead. So the Hindi sentences are here and the English translation, that's here. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.